after viewing, Snapchat auto-deletes all the shared snaps, chats, messages, and conversations. But if you want to change that, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix Snapchat auto-delete chats and messages on your iPhone. Open the app, go to Chats, select the chat conversation you want to change the settings, press and hold, go to Chat settings. As you can see, it's selected to after viewing. If you want to change it, tap on it. And from these two options, if you want, you can change it to 24 hours after viewing. When I keep shared snaps in chat for 24 hours as well, you can just toggle it on. See, the chat settings is changed and saved. All your chat settings will follow this from now on. Now, if the other person changes it again from their end, the latest settings will always apply, no matter who does it, okay? Only if you saved a chat or reacted to it, those will not be deleted. So that's how you can change Snapchat chat settings on your Snapchat app from your iPhone. So which option do you find handy? Let us know if you like. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.